Hey guys, welcome to my channel and to this video. So today we're gonna be making a DIY shampoo with Kaolin Clay, which is known as chili or ayelo in my local language. And so if you're interested in how I prepared this shampoo, make sure that you watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe as well. So this is how the clay comes. Usually that's how it's being sold in the market. If you're in Ghana, you already know what I'm talking about. So what I'm gonna be doing is just going to get it in a powder form because I can't really work with it this way. And this is Kaolin Clay. It is a very great clay and a great alternative to bentonite clay. Most of you would know bentonite clay. So what I'm doing is just grinding the clay and then I will go ahead to then sieve it. Now when I do this, I'm gonna get the bigger particles out of it and leave it smooth to be able to be used for the shampoo. So this is the powder form of the Kaolin Clay that I have, and so this is basically how it is done. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do hit the subscribe button now to be subscribed. Thank you. So to prepare this shampoo, I put in some Kaolin Clay. This is not 100% Kaolin Clay because I wanted to add a surfactant to it so as to make it a shampoo. Now I'm adding 85 grams of water to the shampoo, and so this is how I prefer to make this shampoo. And after I'll just mix this shampoo. After mixing it, I'm gonna add about 42 grams of castle soap, which you can replace with African black soap. So I didn't want to use only the Kaolin Clay, so I decided to add these ones. So I'm also adding penetration oil mix, which is a mixture of extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil and sunflower oil. So what I do is to mix it up to get my shampoo. So I'm done with the shampoo recipe, and the next thing that I want to do today is to check the pH of the shampoo. Now reducing the pH of the shampoo makes it less harsher and also more moisturizing, so I decided to check the pH and see if I can lower it a bit. Now amazingly, I got a pH of 9.2, which is way too high, and this can throw your hair off its balance. And that is because of the castle soap that I used to make the shampoo. So I decided to add some citric acid to balance the pH of this shampoo. Now because the pH is very high, what I'm doing is to add more of the citric acid to it, because if you add a little less, you're not gonna be seeing it being balanced. And I decided to add it in bits as I check the pH to see if I'll get a lower pH. Now after balancing it a bit, I had a pH of 8.7, which is still high. And you know that the pH of the scalp is between like 5.5 to between 5.5 to 6.5, which is the ideal pH. And for you to get a moisturizing balanced shampoo, the pH of the shampoo has to be between 5 to 7. That is the ideal pH of the shampoo, a balanced shampoo. So I'm trying as much as possible to get the shampoo to that. Now one thing I would say about balancing pH with the castle soap is that if you add too much, you're gonna break it and it's not going to work. So just a little. So I finally arrived at a pH of 6.8, and I wanted to leave it as that because I don't want to break the mixture and destroy it. So basically that is how I balance the pH of this shampoo. Now this is the final shampoo and you can use it on your hair, but I decided to thicken it a bit. I thickened it because it was a little bit too runny for me, and I don't really like runny shampoos because when you're applying it, you get a shampoo all over wherever you don't want it to get to. So I decided to try and use the xanthan gum to thicken it a bit. So I just picked a little amount of the shampoo. I just poured a little amount of the shampoo to try and see if it would thicken up pretty well, because sometimes when you add it, then you realize that you're spoiling the whole thing. And so I'm adding just a little bit of the xanthan gum to the mixture, and then I go ahead to pour some amount of the xanthan gum to see if the mixture or the shampoo would thicken up. Now, xanthan gum is one of the thickness that you can use for your shampoo. I don't know if you can use Cortex. I think, yeah, I don't know if you can use Cortex, but what I'm using now is the xanthan gum. Now, I just added a little of the xanthan gum, and xanthan gum you have to add a little because it can expand, and if you don't take care, you're gonna spoil your mixture. So you can see that the shampoo has thickened up a bit, and I mean this thickness is better than this one, which is very 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 runny. So this is the thickness of the shampoo that I have now. So I'm gonna thicken the whole mixture, the whole shampoo, so that I transfer it into a bottle to apply on my hair. And okay, so this is just to show you how thick it can get with the xanthan gum, but I'm not gonna make it very thick like this. I just want to make it a little bit thicker, but not too much. So after thickening the mixture, this is the thickness that I want, and this is the thickener that I have. So I basically transferred this into my bottle, and this is my Kaolin Clay shampoo, and it is balanced as well, so you don't need to worry about it throwing your hair off its balance and all that. So this is the consistency of the shampoo. It is not too thick, it is not too runny, and so this is it. Now, applying the shampoo on my hair, I decided to try it on my hair for you to see how it is. Now, just to tell you something about Kaolin Clay. Now, Kaolin Clay gently removes impurities from the hair without stripping it of its natural oils. And if you want to compare Kaolin Clay with bentonite clay, I would say Kaolin Clay is more gentle than bentonite clay, which is a little bit it has a higher pH than the Kaolin Clay, and it removes more impurities than the Kaolin Clay. But I prefer the Kaolin Clay because it is very very is better to me. So Kaolin Clay also stimulates blood circulation and exfoliates the scalp whilst cleansing your hair. Kaolin Clay also helps strengthen your hair, improves hair elasticity, and helps repair damage. It also soothes the scalp and treats dandruff, eventually encouraging hair growth. Now, I apply the shampoo on my scalp and a little on my hair. Now, this is how it looks on my hair, and let me tell you something, the shampoo does not really lather that much. So I've washed off the first round of the shampoo and I'm applying it again now. I just tried to use it twice on my hair for you to see how it is. This shampoo gently cleanses your hair. It makes your hair very soft and it doesn't strip it off. So even if you wash your hair as many times, you see that your hair is not stripped off and your hair is very soft. One thing that you notice about this shampoo is that it doesn't really lather too much, but it gives you that kind of lather to cleanse your hair. So this is basically it for the shampoo. I washed it off again and this is my hair. It feels very very soft. I really love the shampoo and I would definitely use it on my whole hair on wash day. I just wanted to show you this. That's why I did it on a portion of my hair. So guys, this is my bentonite clay shampoo. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe and then you visit this channel next week for more videos from me. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you will try this shampoo or if you have tried something like this, and let me know your thought about it. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I hope it was very very helpful. Let me know if it was in the comment section, and that would be it. I love you so much, so much, so much. Yeah.